Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you how you can convert your visitor visa to a work permit in Luxembourg and earn a huge net monthly salary after tax of around 3,800 to 4,200 euros. Through this process, you'll get a whole 90 days to land in Luxembourg on a visitor visa, search for a job, and attend interviews in person. You're much likely to get a job offer if you're physically present in Luxembourg, so this method is great for those seeking better career opportunities in Europe. As being the richest country in the world, you'll end up saving much more money in Luxembourg compared to some other European nations. There are also some excellent resources for newcomers that I'll tell you about that'll help you after you land in Luxembourg for completely free language courses in French, German and Luxembourgish, completely free public transport, non-profits helping out with integration, housing and legal advice, and even centers offering relocation support to you and your families. In this video, I'm going to tell you why Luxembourg makes sense for a booming career, the top job sectors that are hiring foreign workers, the average salaries in Luxembourg and the salaries for the top job sectors, how you can convert your short-term visit visa to a work permit, the types of work permits you can apply for, the documents required, processing time, cost of living, and a detailed guide on getting a job in Luxembourg on a visitor visa, top job platforms and networking opportunities, and some very important resources for newcomers, so do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start by exploring Luxembourg, which is a glimpse of life and career. Welcome to Luxembourg, a small country with big opportunities. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg offers a stunning blend of medieval charm, modern living and professional growth. From picturesque towns and green valleys to ultra-modern financial districts, the lifestyle here is peaceful yet dynamic. What makes Luxembourg truly unique is its multicultural environment. With nearly half the population being foreign-born, you'll find English, French, German and Luxembourgish spoken daily. It's a place where diversity isn't just accepted, it's celebrated. Luxembourg isn't just beautiful, it's booming. The key industries driving its economy include finance and banking. As a global financial hub, it hosts some of the world's top banks and investment firms. Next comes technology and innovation, with growing demand for digital talent, especially in cybersecurity, fintech and IT, and research and development backed by strong government funding and partnerships with universities. People are helpful, public transport is completely free, and the work-life balance is incredible. It won't take long for Luxembourg to feel like home. And here's the kicker: high salaries, low taxes, and excellent quality of life. These are just some of the reasons why professionals from around the world are now eyeing Luxembourg as their dream destination. With that, we come to the average salary in Luxembourg in 2025. The gross monthly salary, which is the average across all industries, is around 5,500 to 6,000 euros. The net monthly salary after tax is around 3,800 to 4,200 euros. The minimum wage in 2025 for unskilled workers is 2,570 euros per month, and for skilled workers is 3,085 euros per month. Now we come to the top job sectors and their average salaries. Starting with the healthcare and medical sector, where doctors are earning 7,000 to 12,000 euros per month, nurses are earning 4,000 to 5,500 euros every month, and other roles like physiotherapists and lab techs are earning around 3,500 to 4,500 euros every month. Next, we come to the huge finance and banking sector with an average salary of 6,500 to 10,000 euros per month. The roles in demand are financial analysts, investment bankers, and risk managers. The reason why it's in the top sectors is Luxembourg is a major European financial hub with hundreds of banks and investment firms. Next, we come to IT and tech with an average salary of 5,000 to 9,000 euros every month. The top roles here are software developers, data scientists, IT security specialists, and cloud engineers, with a high demand for cybersecurity, AI and ML experts, and DevOps engineers. Next, we come to legal and compliance with an average salary of 5,500 to 8,500 euros every month. The roles in demand are legal advisors, compliance officers, and corporate lawyers. This is a strong sector due to cross-border legal needs in finance and EU regulations as well. Next, we come to engineering with an average salary of 4,500 to 7,000 euros every month. The roles in demand are civil engineers, mechanical engineers, and project managers. The growth areas are infrastructure, energy, and construction. Next is research and development with an average salary of 4,500 to 7,500 euros every month. The leading roles are research scientists, lab technicians, and academic researchers. The key employers are, of course, University of Luxembourg, LISA, and private innovation labs as well. Next, we come to logistics and supply chain with an average salary of 3,800 to 5,500 euros every month. The roles in demand are supply chain managers, logistics analysts, and operations planners. The reason why this is in demand is Luxembourg is a key logistics hub in Europe. Next, we come to hospitality and tourism with an average salary of 2,500 to 3,800 euros every month, and the roles in demand are hotel managers, chefs, and of course concierge services. There's a seasonal demand that increases during peak tourist periods, which generally fall within the summer months of June to August. Last but not least, we come to education with public school teachers earning 4,000 to 6,000 euros every month, and university lecturers earning 5,500 to 8,000 euros every month. Kindly note, international schools pay more, especially for native English speakers. Now we come to navigating the visa maze from visitor visa to resident. Yes, it's possible to fly to Luxembourg on a short-term visit visa, typically a Schengen visa, explore the country, network, attend interviews, and secure a job offer as well, provided you stay within the legal limits. Here's how the process works to convert your status from visitor to work visa. The first step is to arrive on a short stay visa or a Schengen visa, typically valid for 90 days. The second step is your job search while on a visit visa. You can use this period to apply, attend interviews, and connect with recruiters as well. Next comes securing a job offer. Once you receive a valid job contract, your employer will initiate the work visa process. You don't have to do anything yourself. Next comes the conversion stage to a work visa. You can apply for a Type D, which is a long stay work visa, from your home country or a nearby embassy. Kindly note, you will need to return to your home country or your place of legal residence to apply for the work visa from there. It's not possible to convert your visa while already in Luxembourg. Now we come to the types of visas you can apply for. The first type is your salaried work visa, which is a Type D visa for those with a valid job contract. Next comes your EU Blue Card for highly qualified professionals with a fixed amount of salaries with fast residency and work rights across the EU. Next is the resident permit, which is granted after your long stay D visa is approved. Coming to the required documents, you need a valid job contract from a Luxembourg employer, proof of qualifications, accommodation proof, passport photographs, health insurance, and visa application forms as well. Coming to your timelines, your visa processing time is between 4 to 12 weeks. And coming to your residence permit, once you're in Luxembourg, you have to apply within 3 days of arrival and complete biometrics at the immigration office. Coming to your cost of living, your rent, which is your biggest expense, would be between 1,300 to 2,000 euros per month, depending on your city and the location you choose. Next, we come to groceries, which will be around 250 to 400 euros per month, even for a family of 4. And transport, of course, is free nationwide, even while you're on a visitor visa. So with an average salary of around 4,000 euros, you'll end up saving a lot of money, especially as a couple. Either way, financial support may be available for families, students, or certain sectors. Next, we come to landing your dream job with important strategies and resources. If you're looking for a job in Luxembourg, here's how you can maximize your chances. The first way is to tailor your CV to match local standards, make it clear, concise, and multilingual if possible. Remember that companies and hiring managers in Luxembourg use ATS software to discard profiles that don't have the right keywords. You have to use a clean, simple layouts with no tables, columns, or graphs unless specified by the employer. Include keywords from the job description like the skills, qualifications, and technologies mentioned. Avoid headers or footers for important info like contact details. And keep your cover letter concise, personalized, and include key phrases from the job advertisement. You can reach out to us to create a CV and cover letter for you at a nominal cost. If you don't know the format or keywords to be added for your job profile, this will ensure that your documents are not discarded by ATS software that all hiring companies use. Next, follow up after interviews or applications, as persistence always pays off. Also, remember to highlight your international experience, especially if you've worked in more than one country, as it's valued in a multicultural market like Luxembourg. Coming to the top job platforms that you can apply to, the first one is jobs.lu, followed by MovieJob, LinkedIn, and ADEM, which is Luxembourg's official employment agency. There's a detailed step-by-step guide on this channel where you can apply for jobs on ADEM. I'll add the link in the description box. Next, you can also use networking opportunities where you can attend movie job fairs, expat meetups, and startup Luxembourg events. You can also join groups like Internations Luxembourg, Expat Republic, or Luxembourg for Finance. Now we come to building your future in Luxembourg with regards to integration and support, as moving is just the beginning, settling in is the actual real journey. Talking about resources that are available for newcomers, there's the INL, which covers free and affordable language courses in French, German, and Luxembourgish, followed by ASSI and CLE, which are non-profits helping with integration, housing, and legal advice, and also some welcome offices with the university or city-specific centers offering relocation support. Coming to some practical integration tips, it'll be helpful to learn basic Luxembourgish or French. Not expert levels, just the basic level will be more than enough. It goes a long way in daily life. It'll also help you get access to a lot of more interviews as well. You can attend local events, festivals, and workshops to connect with locals. Join professional networks like Luxembourg HR Club, tech meetups, etc. for career growth. Your long-term benefits would be permanent residency after just 5 years, and EU mobility, which will give you access to work across Europe. Of course, a strong sense of safety, belonging, and career stability. Luxembourg may be small, but it offers big dreams. If you're ready to step out of your comfort zone, this journey from a visitor to a professional resident is entirely possible. Coming to the conclusion, Luxembourg is more than just a destination, it's a gateway to an extraordinary life and career. Whether you're here for a short visit or planning a long-term move, remember, with the right strategy, dedication, and a little courage, your visit visa can be the first step toward your dream job. Alright guys, so that was how you could convert your visitor visa to a work visa in Luxembourg. For more immigration tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.